In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate using QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident by the end. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to QuickBooks. If you're not already there, open your preferred browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you've accessed QuickBooks, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface, as understanding the layout will help make things much easier. Now, direct your attention to the key feature of QuickBooks, the New button. It should be located on your home page. Click on it. This button is your gateway to creating new transactions, including estimates, which are an essential aspect of managing your business's finances. After clicking New, you'll be presented with a list of options. From this list, select Estimate. This will take you to a new page where you'll begin filling out the necessary details for your new estimate. It's like the starting point for your customer quotes, helping you outline potential transactions. On the Estimate page, the first section you'll interact with is the Estimate tab. Click on it to start tailoring your estimate to suit the job or service you're quoting for. Next, move on to the Product Service section. Click here to add products or services you are estimating for. This could be anything from consulting hours to software licenses. Let's focus on the Description area now. This is where you provide details about what your estimate includes. Being clear and comprehensive here helps avoid confusion later on with clients. Make sure to outline all aspects of the job or service. Next, onto the QTY or quantity. Click here to indicate how many units of your product or hours of service you are proposing to provide. The Note to Customer section is next. Click on this to add any additional comments or instructions that could be helpful for your client. Personalizing this area can often help in building stronger client relationships. Then there's the Memo on Statement. This section is hidden by default, but clicking on it gives you a space to include internal notes, ensuring they won't be visible on the customer's estimate. Now onto Attachments. Click here if you need to add any supporting documents to your estimate. This could be a detailed breakdown of costs or a timeline for delivery. It's an efficient way to keep all related documentation in one place. Wrapping things up, there is the Highlight section. Use this to emphasize critical parts of the estimate that might need special attention from the client. It's a neat way to ensure nothing important is overlooked. And just like that, you've created a detailed estimate in QuickBooks. This process not only allows you to maintain professional records, but also offers clear communication paths with your clients, enhancing your business operations. Thank you for following along, and feel free to check out other tutorials for additional QuickBooks insights.